Main board. Get ready to take it out. I already loosened everything up on it. So I had to stick this in the oven for 10 minutes. 385. Interesting to see if it works again. Alright, oh. Well, I put it in the oven. Turn on the light so you can see it. There it is. There's 10 minutes. 385. See if it works again. Oh, time's up. We gotta stop it. There. Turn off the oven. Put on the mittens. Like that. Open the stove. Oh Lord, look at that chicken coming out. There's your piece there. And I let it sit there for 20 minutes. At the meantime, I'll be eating my chicken. Baked chicken, that is. Yeah, shucks.